Hello everybody here in Asian Mess Hall for that serving to you of our menu today. It's yeah, same as that. There are sweet rice. What is called this the sweet rice? Biro?
It's a rice pudding.
Ah,
Rice pudding. Rice pudding.
rice pudding. Oh, this is a rice pudding. Yep. So with the toppings nuts, also with the fresh vegetables. Voila. And long grain rice white. And the favorite, ooh, beef. Wow. Smell very tasty and very hot. Looks that. See, nice. This one is not oily. This is olive oil. Yeah. That's why they are not total cholesterol, because the oil is from olive oil. So very healthy and delicious. And sabji. Wow, mixed vegetable sabji. More is chili again with potato and others. Dal. Okay. They have plenty. Look at that. Wow, nice and hot. See? Totally. And for the Filipino, white rice and tinola. That is for tinola. Yup. See, big chili. Wow, nice in pesos. You have a pesos? Wow. I'm sure you are lucky and very nice to eat. See? I'm very hungry for right now. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and comment also. Have a good day. Bye.